Hi, we're at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x20 equipment dovetail trailer. At the front we have a heavy-duty jack, as well as our safety chains and breakaway cable. There is a chain basket at the front of this equipment trailer. This equipment trailer has pressure-treated wood flooring, as well as D-rings and stake pockets down the side of your equipment. There are steps at the front, rear, and middle. We have a front passenger side tire mount. This trailer has diamond plate fenders. Coming along to the rear, this equipment trailer is a Dovetail. This trailer does have the small King Kong ramps and is a Dovetail. These ramps do lift back up onto your Dovetail and are secured with pin arm locks. This trailer also has LED brake lights, as well as two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch rims and tires. This trailer also has a corrosion repair paint to help against damages and chipping. Once again, this is a 7x20 equipment trailer with 7,000-pound axles. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.